Alright guys, so I was at Costco and they had this Royal Asia Sesame Shrimp Toast with sweet chili sauce. I've never tried it, and as you can see, it's a dim sum. And yeah, I'm really curious what it tastes like. Costco usually has interesting stuff when you go there, right? So here is the nutrient panel. Here's the ingredients. So it does have shrimp, squid, bread. So it does have shrimp, squid, soy, wheat, and sesame. So be aware of that. And this is what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna cook it up. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it looks like little buns. So yeah, cook it up. I'll be right back, guys. So here it is, the shrimp toast. I'm gonna break it in half. There we go. Give you guys a good view of it. It is very hot, so I'm gonna just break a little bit to do a quick taste test. There it is right there. Oop, lost it. It's actually pretty good. And it's not really, yeah, decent actually. It's not really chintzy on the shrimp either, so there it is right there. Yeah, not bad. It tastes like doesn't taste exactly like the ones you get in dim sum, but it's not bad. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.